Right. Action. Hi there. I wanted to show you my drum sander so far. It's made of a tile cutter motor, which I boxed in, and I'm chuffed with it. And let me find a piece of wood. Right, and I'll switch the motor. Switch that on. Sounds nice. But because there's such a long shaft on this motor, I've done a wheel here. Don't know if you can see that because I can't move the camera. I don't know if you can see that. The intentions of doing a drum sander to fit on there. So then your wood will come to there. I don't want to put a belt on there, belt, chain, whatever. I want to put a wheel on, so it's wheel to wheel. Wheel on there, wheel on there. And then that way I can tilt your thing up, so it's not making contact, so then I can just use this on its own rather than this spinning as well. So when I want to use it, then just lower it down onto the wheel to wheel, and away you go. You're working. It's all there. Put hinges on there, obviously. Put hinges on there, top, bottom. So that one hinges, and then the whole thing will hinge. And then you can adjust it from this end how fit you want it. And looking under there, I mean that's not too bad. It's pretty good. Yeah, I just thought I'd bring you up to date on that. In the next video, hopefully it'll all be done. Got bearings either end, I can roll. That's not staying there, but I'll have a box built over there with the hoover will then be straight into the top of the box or into the side, whatever we're going with it. We'll decide or something. But this, with the all boxed in there, get hardly any dust whatsoever. That vacuum cleaner just pulls it straight out of there. Gone forever. Very happy. So simple to do, as you see. Nothing I do is hard. It's all simple stuff. So needs a clean off. That will be a good job, but still usable. not usable. So little things like little things in like that, I can then sand using a push stick and push it, and I can sand little things because I only make little things. I don't make big things. So, if you want to ask me any questions or comment, fire away. It would be nice to see a thumbs up. I do try.